Odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and every other number that have them at the back. Oh, odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers, odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and every other number that have them at the back. Good morning and welcome to class. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. Yesterday we learned about even numbers, and today we are going to be learning about odd numbers. We said even numbers yesterday. We said there are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and every other number that have them at the back. Now, today we'll be learning about odd numbers. So, odd numbers are numbers 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and every other number that ends with them. Okay, so just like what we said yesterday, let's look at some numbers and you will tell me if they are odd numbers. Remember, I said that when you see a number, just look at that number very well. If the number is a single number, you just look at it and say, oh, is this odd or even number? Then you decide. Then if it is a two-digit number, like you have 21, what are you going to out for? You are going to look out for the number at the back or the number that ends with this number. So what number ends with 21? 1. Okay? There, or you look at tens, units. You look at the number at the unit place. That number is what will determine what the whole number is. So since 1 is the end number, you look at 1 and you say 1 is what? 1 is an odd number. Okay? So since 1 is an odd number, 21 is also an odd number. Very simple. So let's look at a very big number, 2, 3, 3. So when you see a big number like this, you look at the number at the back or the number at the unit place. 100, tens, units. So what number is at the unit place? 3. So 3 is what? 3 is an odd number. So that means 233 is an odd number. Okay? So let's look at this other number. Let's look at 59. What are you going to do? You're going to look at the number at the back. What number is at the back? Number 9. Number 9 is what? Number 9 is, yes, an odd number. So that means 59 is an odd number. Okay? So let's look at this, or look at the number at the unit place. Sorry. Tens units. This is supposed to be tens units. The number at the unit place is 9. So that makes, since 9 is an odd number, it makes 59 an odd number because we are looking at the number at the back or the number at the unit place. Good. So let's write numbers from 1 to 30. Then we're going to circle all the odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now let's circle all the odd numbers. Okay, let's circle all the odd numbers. Remember we said odd numbers, odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and every other number that have them at the back. So let's circle all the odd numbers, and odd numbers start from 1. So let's go 1. Are we going to circle 2? No. 2 is even. So we say odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. So you are skipping the next one. Okay, so the next one is obviously an even number because 8 is an even number, if you remember the song very well. So since 8 is an even number, you jump to the next one, which is 9. 9 is an odd number. Even, odd, even, odd. Why is 13 an odd number? Because 13 ends with 3 and 3 is an odd number. No, 14 is not an odd number, so you move to 15. 16 is not an odd number, you move to 17. Good. 18 is not also an odd number. So you move to 19 because 19 ends with 9 and 9 is an odd number. 20 is even, 21 is odd. 22 is even because it ends with 2. 23 is odd. 24 is even, 25 is odd. 26 is even, 27 is odd. 28 is even, 29 is odd, and so on and so forth. Interestingly, there are other things you need to know about even numbers. Okay, even numbers. So I want to bring even numbers and odd numbers together so that you can understand better. So when you are talking about even numbers, I told you yesterday, I said even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and every other number that have them at the back. Now, even numbers are always, they are easily divided by 2. That's one point you need to know about even numbers. You can divide even numbers with 2. Okay? Another thing about even numbers is that even numbers are numbers that have friends. I'm very sure that you all like to have friends. So let's see how even numbers, how they have friends. If you are still finding it difficult to know what your even numbers, this is how to help you to know your even numbers. I said they are numbers that have friends. Now this is 2, right? 1, 2. So that means this person and this person, they are working together. They are together. Nobody is left behind. They are friends. So this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want to pick the friends 2, 2. This and this are working together. This and this are also working together. So even numbers, you can say, are numbers that are friends. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if they can be friends. If you can divide them by 2 and they can work together as friends. This and this are 2, they are working together. This person and this person are 2, they are working together. This and this are working together. So even numbers are numbers that have friends. So let's do 8. Okay, let me do 8 here. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if they can work together. 1, 2, they are working 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 together. Yes. So that means when you are talking about your even numbers, there are numbers that can be divided by 2, and there are numbers that have friends. Just have that at the back of your mind before you now remember the song. Even numbers, even numbers, Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and every other number that have them at the back. Good job. Now let's learn some interesting facts about odd numbers. Odd numbers are numbers that you cannot divide by 2. It will have a remainder rather, sorry about that. It will have a remainder. So when you divide them by 2, it will remain. That was what I meant by remainder. Okay, so it will remain when you divide them by 2. So there are numbers that cannot be divided by 2. Okay, so odd numbers, like I said, are like what I said here. I said odd numbers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and every other number that have them at the back. So, and I said odd numbers are also numbers that what? They do not have friends. They do not have friends. Okay? They do not have friends. Let's see. Let's see 3. 1, 2, 3. This and this are working together. This one does not have a friend. So that means this one, that means he doesn't have a friend. So let's see 3. I mean 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This and this are working together. This and this are working. But this one, this person, this one, does he have a friend? No, he doesn't have a friend. So let's look at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This and this are working together. They are friends. This and this are working together. They are friends. This and this are working together. They are friends. But this one, he does not have a friend. So this makes it an odd number. Because I said odd numbers, they are numbers that do not have friends. So let's look at the last one, 9. Let's see if 9 have friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This and this are working together. 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 But this person do not have friends. Does not have a friend rather. Okay. So this makes 9 an odd number. So you can have random numbers like this. You can have so let's see. You can have random numbers like this. Let me show you. You can have random numbers like this, and you'll be asked to tell if the numbers are even or odd. So you can have number like this, 10. You can have 631. You can have 28. You can have 29. And so you'll be asked to write odd or even numbers. So how are you going to do this? Just look at the number at the unit place, or you look at the number at the back, or you look at the number that ends with that number. And in this is 10, and the number that ends with it is what? 0. And 0 is what? Even number. So that makes 10 an even number. You write it even. So this one now, look at the number at the unit place. 100, tens, units. The number at the unit place is 1. Look at the number at the back also. The number at the back is also 1. And 1 is what? Odd number. So that makes 631 odd, an odd number. So 28 tens and units. Look at the number at the unit place, or look at the number at the back, or look at the number at the end. The number at the end is what? 8. 8 is an even number, even. Now let's look at 29. 29, look at the number at the back. 9 is what? Is it even or odd? No, it's odd. It's an odd number. So since 9 is an odd number, 29 is also an odd number. So that is how to identify which number is odd, which number is even. If you have any question, please send them through the comment box. Bye.